thank you so much for the Reader's Choice Best HVAC Company. We sure appreciate all of your loyalty, and for our past customers, our future customers, and present customers, thank you so much for that award. It's a great honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for voting. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for your support, everyone. We really appreciate your votes.
Thanks for your vote.
Thank you.
Thank you for your vote.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your vote. Thank you.
Thank you for your vote.
Thank you.
Thank you for your vote. It means a lot to us.
Thank you.
Thank you for voting for us.
Thank you for your vote. Hope to see you soon.